everybody. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Didi's World. And my name is Miss Didi. Yeah, one and only. And if you're just joining us today, kindly like, subscribe, share, and comment. We need to go viral and we need to grow. And today I'll be teaching you a little trick on how to add members to a Telegram group without getting restricted. Like, man, people ask me that kind of question, like, how would I add members to a group without getting restricted? So today I'll be teaching you all how to add members to a Telegram group without getting restricted. Yay! So before I start, I would love to apologize to everyone those have been asking me to drop a new video, my comments. It's exam period as a student, and we kind of I just have to squeeze our time to do this. And I would really appreciate if you kind of say a little prayer for exam success for me. I can drop it on my comment section, or maybe say in your mind. God hears it. I'll be going straight using the app Mopogram. If you want to know how to set up the app, you can check my previous video. I did a tutorial on how to do all those stuff using Mopogram. So I'm just going to go straight by clicking on Mopogram. This is what you're going to see. This is the how it looks like. Users, groups, everything you want. This is how it is. So they kind of made everything easy for you. So if you want to chat with both, to channel, to super groups, people with more than 150, with normal groups, with normal users like human beings like us. Then this is the general stuff. Sorry if my voice is not loud. So now we are going to create a new group. Let's call it Saints. Oh, I don't know. So let's call this. Then we pick. Okay, we have to pick. Sorry, we're asked to pick people that will join the group. I didn't read the instructions. Sorry. I just pick as random. Then the name of the group. Let's use love saints. I think that's one I've not used, and kind of click on the good sign. So this is how our group used to be. Before you add members to a group, you don't just create a group and start adding members to a group. Like a real promoter, a real adder will not do such a thing. There is this bot, called anti-service message bot. It is a bot that prevent, like, when you add members to a group, it automatically deletes the name so that people will not be able to find out the person that added them to the group. Like, in the sense that if I'm adding someone to a group, I'll first make the bot an admin. Then once I do that, I can now easily add members to my group without getting restricted, because nobody is going, like, they will not know that I'm adding them to a group. They don't even know who added them to a group. They just saw themselves in the group. You understand what I'm saying? So that's how to add members without getting restricted. If I add members to this group now without getting the without making the bot an admin, you see a former I did it added through here. But once I make that service bot my admin, you see, as soon as that you write that, it will immediately delete it. I don't know if I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So that's how it works. So you first make anti-service message bot an admin in your group, then you comfortably add members to the group. Now set admin. This is the bot that we want to make an admin. So the first of all, you go to add members and add it to your group. Then you now set it to be an admin. It's now an admin of your group, and service message bot now an admin. So we go back and read what it says. It said these both offer riches, blah blah blah. So we already made anti-service message bots and admin in this group. So let's continue. The next thing you're going to do now is adding members to this group. Once you click on add member, unlike other apps, you add unlimited members. Here we don't add unlimited members. Just you have to take your time and be adding members to your group. That's why I'm using this. There's no message, so so unlike other group, you don't add one after the other. You add one after the other. Sorry. So we have there now it's 10 members, as you can see. We have 12 members. Like that's how you keep on adding members to a group. Like you just tap on the you want to add and add, tap on anyone you want to add. Just be tapping and be going, tapping and be going, like till you reach the minimum or maximum you want. And that's how you add members to a group without getting restricted, because here you cannot see you added members. But let me show you something. Let me remove this app as an admin, this bot as an admin, anti-service message bot. Let me remove it as an admin and add members to a group, add a member to a group, and you see the difference. Let's also delete it from the group, from our So let's go and add member to a group. Click on add member. Let's look for someone let's use Abdul. Okay, let's use here. Okay, add member. Let's look for another person. Right, that's how you keep on adding members, and make sure they are mutual, because once they are not mutual members, they will not go. Once they are not mutual members, they will not add. So now let's see the difference. You see, you added, you added, you added. So when we made anti-service message bots and admin, we did not see all this you added, you added, you added messages that pop on. So with these messages, someone can easily kind of click on me and you see like if it's another person, if it's for instance this Ade Ife and I want to report me, you just click on my name and you see report, and immediately person reports me, I'll get restricted. So now we have 14 members. So that's how you keep on adding members. Make sure that mutual members. That's how you keep on adding members, adding members, adding members till you reach as much as you want to a Telegram group without getting restricted. That's it on our today's tutorial on how to add members to a Telegram group without getting restricted. If you have any question, please ask me on the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment, share, hit the notification bell, and please subscribe if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you so much for supporting me. I really appreciate you all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And we hope to have make this a very, very big family. Happy new month to you all, and bye.